Good. Good. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect. Yes, for 5 days. Okay. Okay. So anyway, so thank you for coming here. So we will be having an intensive course here. Intensive meaning very intensive. So think of you are taking basically. Do you give them 2 credits? So more or less in one intensive week plus some home exercises. Oh, welcome. So you got my email. Excellent. So let me. I want you to enjoy it. At least I will enjoy teaching, anyways. So it's really nice to be back here. Uh, yes, but I will be staying here. Yeah, yeah. Excellent. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Excellent. Thank you, Manuel. Okay, so welcome. Welcome again. So we have 8 students, which is a good number actually. There was 12 enrollments. So if you know anyone who has enrolled but is not here, they can still attend the classes for some reasons. First of all, I'm videotaping this one. Only my show. I'm not videoing you. Don't worry. Unless you do something really stupid, then I'll just stop watching at you and put it on the YouTube. Yeah, this actually will go to YouTube. But anyways, I'm not taking any pictures of you intentionally. Um, okay. So that's the home page. I think you already have found it because you have been able to enroll. But anyway, sites, Google.com, Metropolia is a partner of Google, so we basically have our own subdomain under Google, and then we have the this course code TX00DH91 is the homepage of this course. Everything you need to know, material and stuff will be there, including these videos. And right now, this video is also maybe streaming into YouTube services, but you never know. So in case you cannot come here in person one of these intensive days, you don't have any excuse since you can always watch it on your mobile. Okay, that'll be, your friends would be so amazed. Anyhow, so I'm coming from Metropolia University Applied Sciences. Metropolia and Alcala University have been cooperating for some time now. It started year 2000 something already, and then there have been some these intensive courses 5 years ago. So there were different groups of students from different universities going into one place and doing something tangible. But anyways, there's also this nice teachers exchange program. In addition to, I think there's also a student exchange program. So if you are planning to go abroad somewhere in the universe, Metropolia is one of the best places to go. Say in English-speaking classes. Of course, you have Spanish. It's also kind of one of the major languages. One. But what is even more a common language? What is the most common language in the world? No, not even close. Bad English. So don't worry about your English level. It's the most common language. Okay, so a couple of questions before we start. Are you familiar already with the digital signal processing fundamentals? Digital signal in German, but in Spanish I have no idea. So yep. So you have taken the classes which has the linear time invariant systems. Okay. Okay, and maybe some filtering, FIR system, IIR, the zeros and poles on Argand's diagram and such kind of things, and the frequency response. If you are familiar with the terms, then you will be okay. Better than okay. We'll be using MATLAB for the laboratories. You have been using MATLAB before, have you? Excellent. Excellent. I noticed that you actually might have the campus license, so you have a copy of that on your own computer, right? Good, even better. Since after this intensive week, you still have some homework to do. I gotcha. So, but anyhow, my own background on digital signal processing is that I got interested on the topic when I was doing my master's thesis year 80 something. You have been born on 90 something, or anyone from this century? No, not yet. Okay. So, but anyways, way back when we made our own bits from wood, and I got right at the right. I was on the right place on the right time, because that was also the boom of the digital signal processing happening right there around me. For example, these graphic accelerator cards came somewhere around 80s. I knew some of the colleagues of mine, the students, the PhD students from different universities which were working on that area and that kind of thing. I myself, I'm actually a physicist, and my relationship to digital signal processing was that when I got an opportunity to start atmospheric research with optical radar, then I really needed some heavy digital signal processing tools there. So basically for me, digital signal processing is not a theory, it's a tool. Okay. So how this course is constructed. Okay, I see this. It doesn't show up on the top. There. On the top right corner, the on the top right corner, there are these topics. So this home page actually shows just the general information and about the enrollment. You have been here already, and something about next implementation, and then the table of contents and such kind of things. And video stream is available for lectures and lab tutorials if there are enough of bandwidth. But anyways, I'm taping this one, well, recording this one, recording this video presentation also for later viewing. So if I'm going too fast, well, you might actually, then rewind the tape, so to speak. Or if I'm going too fast, then just tell me. Sometimes I can slow down. Not guaranteed though. Anyway, some general information, and those are actually videotape of the last time. So after giving the introduction overall, I will probably stop the recording and then download it there at some point. I also have these slideshows. I'm not going to go through these slideshows. Those are for you. So if you want to watch them to get basically kind of review of what kind of topics we are on this exercise doing, then please go ahead through those slides. Okay, one interesting link here, frequently appearing mistakes on exercise returns. So go through this checklist and check if you are doing those mistakes again, since those are costly mistakes. Every single mistake on that list is at least 1 point. And okay, the first is the most common on the first exercise, or actually first 4 are most common for the first exercise. Okay, assessment. What kind of scale are you using for the assessment of the course? Grading. We have 0 to 5 in Finland. In Germany, it's from 1 to 5. What is your highest score? 10. Ah, okay, you have, and the lowest is 0. Good. Then it's easy. Easy to convert. And what is the passing grade? 5. Okay, very simple. So about 50% correct would be giving you a passing grade here. Right. Okay, in addition, you will also receive a Metropolia study certificate if you pass the course. I don't have no clue if it ever helps you, but it doesn't hurt you. You can put it on your CV. There is a difference between Finnish and Spanish system. You are getting 2 ECTS credits because Spanish system does not count your own time, learning time. Finnish system follows this Bologna agreement, meaning that 27 hours of student work is 1 credit, and this is actually 3 credit course in Metropolia. Exactly the same. Now, how strong is your student union? It might have, some work here to do. So ECTS credit is European Credit Transfer System. So these 2 and 3, that's kind of funny, but we will just go with that. And most important thing is that you will learn. Okay. Exercises. Yes, we have 5 exercises. Then we also have the kind of real-time, the scoreboard. All right, so we have 2 Daniels, and let's see who is here actually, to make sure that I have all the names. So Daniel R, not here. How about Mohammed? There. A means you have attended. Juan, right? No Juan. Okay, Daniel O. Okay. Rodriguez Camacho. There. Okay. Mario. Miguel Eduardo. Diego. Manuel. Ihor. Annalise. Okay. Georgiana. That was easy. Okay. Anyone here? I mentioned all the names, right? Or did I? Did I mention yours? Did I mention your name? Javier. Ah, okay. Yeah, so I just took those from enrollment form directly, so you have mixed those. Okay, okay. Javier. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Let's see. That was Rodriguez. Rodriguez, come on. Javier. Right. Okay. Now if I go here and just refresh it, nothing happens. Let's see how fast this one actually upgrades. Well, it will upgrade eventually. Those are, in any ways, they are marked in my list. All right, so back to the business. Okay, so we have the scoreboard will be updated accordingly. First topic, which is today's topic, it's about signals. So we'll go through the how MATLAB actually, how you can make different kind of signals in MATLAB. So basically we are starting from the signal source. Building some sort of, say, wave generator, and also add some noise on it. So that's today. Tomorrow we go through the systems, how the systems are built and how they look like in MATLAB. So system meaning what is the difference equation, what is the transfer function, and what else? If it's linear, or actually, is it LTI, is it stable? Causal, that kind of things, how to analyze a system. Okay, that's for Tuesday. For the Wednesday we have responses, meaning, okay, what if we actually do some standard signals like the delta signal in, what is the impulse response out, okay, and then also how the step response works. Okay, and then what else? Also, how about the frequency response? So that's for the Wednesday. Then basically on Thursday we go and take a quick look at FIR filters, meaning that now we basically just need to build our system so it does not necessarily need any feedback. So it requires only the impulse response, finite impulse response. Defined by that way. Then on Friday we still have one case, which means that basically we have systems, especially filters, with infinite impulse response, meaning basically that you have some poles somewhere else than on the origin. Okay, so that's the whole week. Good. Any questions this far? All right. So basically the first exercise deadline is on Friday. And each of those exercises have 1 week, uh, the 1 week more deadline. So the second exercise deadline will be 1 week from that one. Are the Fridays actually good exercise, the deadline days? We can also say Monday. It's up to you. Which one is better deadline? Friday deadlines or Monday deadlines? Or Sunday deadlines also work? Saturday, Tuesday afternoon. Monday? Monday deadlines? Okay. So basically, about 5 weeks from now, on Monday, this course is done. Yeehaw. Good. So now let me go and I will start another